everyone. Today I am presenting my project Credit Card Fraud Detection Data Engineering Pipeline using Azure, Databricks, Data Lake and Power BI. The objective of this project is to load an automated data pipeline that processes historical and incremental transaction data and also performs data validation and transformation, and finally visualize the fraud analysis in Power BI. Now let's have a look on dataset. So in this project I have used multiple datasets. Like in my bronze layer, here is the historical transaction dataset. It contains past credit and transactions, and the incremental dataset contains newly arrival transactions. And also additionally, I also included JSON and text file as example of structured and unstructured data. Now here in Databricks, I implemented the medallion architecture using 3 layers. So our first notebook is bronze layer. In the bronze layer, I loaded the raw CSV file from Azure storage and stored them in a Delta format. The next notebook is silver layer. In silver layer, I performed data quality checks such as null value validation, duplicate removal and invalid amount filtering to clean the data. Third notebook is the gold layer. So in the gold layer, I created business summary tables such as transaction summary, fraud summary, merchant, category and state summary. These tables are used for reporting in Power BI. Then next is incremental load. I also implemented incremental data loading so that whenever a new transaction file is uploaded, then only the new data is processed without reprocessing the entire dataset. And this is the JSON file, unstructured data file. Then in Azure Data Factory, I have created pipeline. The pipeline is used to automate the execution of all Databricks notebooks. I have here created 2 pipelines. I also configured a storage event trigger. Whenever a new CSV file is uploaded into the storage account, the trigger automatically starts the pipeline. Then finally, I connected the gold layer summary table to Power BI and created an interactive dashboard. This dashboard shows fraud analysis by state, by category and top fraud merchants, monthly trend data and interactive filters for state and category. So to conclude, this project demonstrates an end-to-end automated data engineering solution using the tools like Azure, Storage, Databricks, Power BI and so on. The pipeline supports historical as well as incremental data processing, ensuring scalable and automated fraud analysis. Thank you.